What do you remember about the Olympics, Violet?
Mr. Plasenko had a big sparkly outfit and he did lots of fun jumps
Yeah.
and spins.
Mm-hmm. What else?
He did lots of cool moves.
Yeah. What else about the Olympics do you remember?
There's a big crowd watching him.
Yeah. Do you remember anything else about the Olympics besides Mr. Plushenko?
And there was Gracie Gold too.
Mm-hmm. What did she do?
She did probably about the same thing as Mr. Plasenko.
Yeah.
She was good too.
Yeah.
Lots of jumps and spins.
Mm-hmm.
She had a sparkly blue outfit.
Yeah. And do you remember anything else about the Olympics? Did they do any other sports? Or just ice skating?
I think they just did ice skating, didn't they?
What about skiing?
Yeah,
They also did skiing?
they did skiing and did they do and figure skating where they shoot targets?
Oh, the shooting?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's right. Was it a good Olympics?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But now the Olympics is all over.
Yeah, what's going to happen now?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't either.
Tell me.
I don't know. What happens in March?
Do the Olympics come on again?
No, I don't think so. What happens at the end of March?
My birthday.
Yeah. So that's fun too.
Yeah.
Okay, see you later. Bye.
Bye.